Welcome to Max class. In this video, we are going to learn about multiplication and division of metric units. Let's get inside the topic. So in the last video, we learned about how to add and subtract metric units, right? So in this video, first we learn how to multiply the metric units. When it comes to multiplication, it's just same like how we do with normal numbers. Okay, so there is no difference with metric units. Like a normal multiplication, you're going to multiply and you're going to put the units as usual. So let me explain with an example. Suppose if you want to multiply 481 liters 250 ml by 2. So you can see here, first I have written the units at the top. So liter I have written and then I have written ml. Below that I have written the numbers. I hope you are able to see now. So I have written 481 and you can see 250, right? Yes, so 481 comes under liter, so I have written below the liter, and 250 comes under ml, so I have written below the ml. Now you will be doing as a normal multiplication. So into 2 I need to multiply. So first start with the from the right side. We'll start, always multiplication will start from the right side. So first I'll start 2 into 0. So 2 into 0 gives me 0, so I have written down. Now next 2 into 5. So 2 5s are 10, right? So in that 0 I'll put in the answer, and this 1 will be a carryover. You can see that I have written 1 at the top. Now multiply the next number. So 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Along with 4, the carryover 1 I have. So 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1, what will get? 5. I have written there. Right? Now let me take another color to show the difference. Now again I'll continue the multiplication. Next 2 into 1. So 2 1s are 2. I have written there. Then 2 8s are 16. So 16, in that what the digit which is in ones place I have written in the answer part. So 6 is in ones place. I will write here 1. I'll take it as a carryover. You can see here. Now again multiply 2 into 4. So 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 plus 1, right? 8 plus 1 is 9. So let me clear all the marks. So you can see now clearly the answer is 962 comes under liter, so 962 liter, and 500 comes under ml, so 500 ml. So this is how you multiply the metric units. Like a normal multiplication, you will multiply and you will put units at the end. Clear? Fine. Now we'll go for division of metric units. How to divide metric units. So how you did multiplication, the same process goes with division. For division of metric units also, you'll follow the same method, like how you do normal division. So in the same method you can divide and then you can put the units at the end. For example, if you want to divide 9 meter 5 centimeter by 5, so 9 meter and 5 centimeter I'll write inside as divided, and 5 will be my divisor. So what we'll do, we'll always start from the first number, that is next to the divisor. What is the number I have? So you can see I have here as 9. So I'll start with 9, right? Yes. So 5 table I don't get 9. So I'll see what is the number that is closer to 9. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. Now 10 is greater than 9, which is not allowed. So I'll go for 1 table. So I'll put 1 at the top. 5 ones are 5. Now subtract. So when I subtract, what I'll get? 9 minus 5, I'll get 4. Okay, so I have written 4 here. Now I'll bring the next number down. What is the next number I have here? 0. So now it has become 40. Since we are shifting to the next unit, so the 1 will come under meter. Okay, so hereafter the answer will come under centimeter. So this one thing alone you need to be careful. Since meter is over and we are shifting towards centimeter, whatever number you have here, that belongs to meter unit. Clear? Now how many 5s are 40? 8 times, right? So 8 I will write at the top and 40 I will write bottom. So 40 minus 40, what I'll get? I'll get 0. Now bring the next number down. What is the next number? 5. How many 5s are 5? 1 time. So 1 I have written at the top, 5 I have written at the down. So when I subtract, what I'll get? My answer will be 0. So what is my answer? 1 meter and 81 centimeter. Suppose if you want to check whether your answer is right or wrong, so there is a method to verify. What you can do, the quotient what you have get. Okay, so my quotient is 1 meter and 81 centimeter, right? Just multiply with the divisor. What is the divisor I have here? 5. Just multiply. Okay, so 5 ones are 5, 8 5s are 40. In that 0 I'll put here, 4 I'll take it as a carryover. 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. So here it comes under meter, so meter, this will be centimeter. So did you see? You will get the divisor 9 meter and 5 centimeter. So when you multiply these two, that is your quotient and your divisor, you should get your dividend. Okay, once you get your dividend, which means your answer is right. Clear? So this is how you can verify your division. Clear? Fine. So I hope that in this video you have understood clearly about how to multiply and divide the metric units. Let's meet all in the next video with an interesting topic. Thank you everyone.